faster than I probably should, but hey, we're keeping up with traffic. I'm not doing anything wrong. They are. And if you saw my video last Wednesday, which most of you didn't, it seemed to flop like a fish out of water. We're heading up to Ace in Orlando. We're gonna hang out with our buddy Weems from Weems Motor Company. Gonna go have a couple of drinks, meet some of you guys, say hello. Also, buy some raffle tickets. Good cause. All that other stuff, you know. We've done this before. You know how that is. I get to ride alongside of my bestest friend a gal can ever have again. Now that my FOMO is settling down from his little Niagara Falls trip, man, if I had a more comfortable motorcycle, I would have definitely gone along, but I don't. Gonna rectify that, hopefully sooner than later, because I'm sick and tired of missing out on awesome trips. Just woke up one day, like, hey Flip, I'm going to Niagara Falls today, and if I call you, grab a U-Haul. That's about as much warning as I had of this trip. It's one of those admiring factors of this guy. He doesn't care, he just goes and does it. Don't most of us wish we were more like that? You say something, you do it, as opposed to the majority of people that most of us know that say a lot of things and never do any of them. And for now, that's pretty much all I really got to say until we get there. That's when more of the fun things happen. So, is that our cop car? AJ Diner Bro Special over there. He's got a decommissioned Charger. I don't know if that's our City of Lakeland. Well, there's really not much more else to say. I think you're all pretty caught up on what's going on for the moment. So, let's get to the hotel. Talk this.
So they've definitely been treated worse by Orlando traffic.
Yeah, that was probably the best it's been in a very long time. All right, we got a hotel room. The view is a view of nothing really. All right, leaving the hotel, and here is a real-time video of us rolling into Ace Cafe. I wasn't expecting a traffic light, but you know, that happens. Let's try that again. Real-time version of us riding into... God damn it. Oh well, who cares? Hey look, it's Weems and Todd. So many friends.
Oh man, Weems? Wait, is that?
That's Todd. That's Todd from Hart Huntington. Then there's that dickhead. Yep. Apparently I forgot how to film things and to make sure that it's recording, not stop recording. So I did a lot of that night, and so I missed a few things. Josh is gonna put out a video. He's better at this than I am, so watch his. I'm gonna try to do the best I can of this. Other than that, let's go back to that.
what we're gonna do is
That thing is rad.
everyone that the first 30
like the
people that
brand.
buy a raffle ticket.
You gotta get to one of those.
swag
Yeah,
bags.
that's hard.
So we got hats in there, like those stuff.
So, let's grab a beer. Let's go do a little
Let's go be number one. Pardon me. Rig the fucking system so I can win it, and then we can raffle it again.
I can do the
That's
best
on
I
camera.
can.
I know you're recording.
I know.
That's wrong, man.
We're rigging the system
Listen,
so we can make more money.
The system is already rigged that every person that purchases a ticket is already a winner because they help these kids out.
No, absolutely.
Yeah.
But I want to help the kids out more.
So you win the bike and then I tell you what, you win the bike, flip.
Allegedly, please.
If you win the bike, I will triple the money you invested into raffle tickets. You spend $100 on a raffle ticket, I'll give you $300.
You
for
got
the
no
bike.
excuse if you're watching this right now. Slipknot just dropped $100 on raffle tickets right
I'll
now.
take all your money. All right.
All right, so
So
we're
this you
charging
guys
there.
know, already
Trade you.
know.
You get
Those raffle
swag
tickets
packs
cool.
from Heart and Honey.
Win that bike.
Get a swag bag, bud. You want a water?
I like water.
Get you some more.
I like hats. I love hankies. Ooh, and a keychain thingy.
Ashtray?
I quit smoking a year ago.
No ashtray.
This is gonna go into our shop though, so.
Perfect. And then now you're automatically entered in for a $500, $175, and a $250 tattoo.
Because I need more tattoos. Thank you. I got it. Thank you. Obligatory POV beer delivery.
You got to.
That's what you do at Ace Cafe. Or that's what I do at Ace
If you
Cafe.
can help with it, let me know, man.
Thanks,
We'll wire them up.
Thanks, bud.
Later, buddy. Well, it's 6 o'clock, which means that this thing's officially started. Whiskey.
Oh, it's mine, baby.
Let's see who shows up. I found some nerds.
You goddamn losers.
Look what I found.
Hell yeah, dude. What's up, man? How you doing? All right. Yeah. Hell yeah, man.
Yeah. I was about to do the same thing. Start drinking without my mask on. I would.
Like I said, but that's all I wanted out of it.
One of these things is not like the other. Well, I have to say that this is a bit more than any one of us had expected.
All right, at this point, it's completely pointless to even do anything,
So, I remember that the next day I woke up and I said, I drag ass in the morning. I wake up at like 8 a.m. every day and I still don't move for like another hour or two. So apparently when I got back to the shop after riding those 80 miles back home, I take my helmet off to find this. So the only footage I captured was... Yeah, I'm not a morning person. Yeah, no, it got way out of hand that night, and it got way more packed than any one of us had intended. So we sat in our corner over with Weem. We didn't go very far. We just hung out with Blockhead and the usual suspects. The raffles are going on until March. Again, it's a great cause. You should do it. There's no reason why you're not. And I've had just about enough of making this video now. Twice. I've made this video twice. Final Cut crashed on me. Wiped out all my footage. This is the second time I've made this video from scratch. Screw this video. So I'm gonna go hang out and fuck that. So guys, don't forget, you know how this works. Don't forget to like that video. Do not forget to subscribe. And catch you on the flip side.